Hey guys, do you like mulled wine? I remember having it years ago, but I had no idea how to actually make it. I'm sure there are lots of recipes now online, but I actually found this little pouch, this little bag of mulled wine spices, mulled wine mulling spices. And so I'm going to follow the directions on it. It's basically like a tea bag with a cork attached to it. And what you're supposed to do, according to these directions, is add a bottle of any red or white wine, a half a bottle, 12 ounces of water, brown sugar to taste, and the mulling spices. So that's what I'm going to try and do, and hopefully it comes out. Sounds really good to me. I usually prefer white wine, so I don't have a suggestion on what kind of wine to get, red, but I saw this yellowtail jammy red roux at the store, and it says it's sweet and vibrant with notes of juicy red berries, vanilla, and chocolate. So that sounds Christmassy to me. I'm gonna try it. Again, so just following the directions that are on the mulling spice bag and pouring the wine into the pot here. So I can Okay, now the half a bottle of water. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the quarter cup of brown sugar because I always add more if I don't think it's sweet enough, I assume. And the bag of mulling spices. Now, the directions say to leave the cork on so that it will float. And simmer slowly, do not boil. So I'm gonna put that on low. And I guess I should stir. So put the brown sugar in there. Give it a little stir, make sure it dissolves. And I think that's it for a while. Okay, I'm back to check on the mulled wine. You're not supposed to let it come to a boil, so I'm not sure if it's ready yet. It's not steaming, but I feel it's warm. Anyway, I'm gonna try it. Might need to let it simmer some more, but here we go. We'll do a little taste test. Yeah, let me see if I can. Okay. Ooh. That's good. That's good. I think you don't want to let it get too hot. Sorry, I'm trying to I'm trying to identify all the flavors there, but I guess I don't need to try to identify them because it tells you exactly what's in it. I just don't know how to describe it if you've never had it. Remember, I was worried it wasn't going to be sweet enough. I think it's sweet enough, and I really like sweet, so I don't think you need to go too crazy on the brown sugar unless you, I guess, would start with a stronger wine. I think just letting it simmer longer gives more time for all the spices to really come together. I really like it. I hope you guys do too. let me know in the comments if you have mulled wine, you have a family recipe for mulled wine. I think it's a nice adult alternative. Have some mulled wine. Thanks again for joining me for this 23rd day of Vlogmas. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I hope that you will try some mulled wine and let me know what you think. Take care, everybody. I just wanted to make sure I told you guys the ingredients that are in this mulling spices pouch. I know I showed it to you, but wanted to make sure you could actually see that in case you have these ingredients at home and you want to just try and make your own. So it has whole cinnamon sticks, dried orange peel, allspice, and cloves. So those are the ingredients inside the little pouch. I will do a close-up of that and the directions on the back. And again, I hope you try it. I hope you like it. Cheers!